This is a quick update for my Raspberry Pi NAS. I've got a problem when I try to access my Raspberry Pi from internet. That is because my internet service provider only gave me a private IP address, so I cannot open a port mapping on my router. What should I do? Practically, I've got three options. Number one, which is the easiest one, make a phone call to your service provider and tell them what you want is a public IP address, but maybe the call taker wouldn't know anything about what you are talking about. But if you insist calling, finally, they will give you a real public IP address. That's the non-technical way. I won't do that. Number two, use the SSH reverse tunnel. But you have to buy a public server on the internet, like any VPS, which have a public IP address. I do have one, so that's a possible way for me. But I won't use it as well because it is too heavy, like using a hammer to hit a fly. And also, it is hard to be kept alive easily, so I won't use it. Number three, which is the tricky way I'm using. The tool I'm using is called socat. It is a versatile tool. It can do anything about the connection, far more than people can imagine. I think Linux professional knows about it, but to use it well is not easy. Now I will tell you how it works in my scenario. The way I'm using have a official name, which is called double server. I drew a sketch to explain it. Hopefully, it can make it easy. On double server, listen to the local port A. If there is a connection, then listen to port B, which is waiting for a remote connection. On double client, every 15 or 30 seconds, try to connect remote server part B. If succeed, then redirect traffic to the local port 22, which is the listening SSH service port. When you log on to your VPS, try to SSH to your local port A. Then you can connect to your Raspberry Pi successfully over the internet. Okay, that's it. That's the update. I think it is a little bit hard. You have to know a little about Linux to make it work. But anyway, if you have questions, just leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.